think the ball's going to be ready. So you can put it between your legs like that. And I want you to waddle around me. You're going to follow me. You're going to walk. Just like penguins. There you go. Look at that. Keep going. Keep following me. There you go. You want to try a little bit bigger balls, don't you? Try with.
That's it, Dad. Good girl.
This time you can pull it a bit further down to your feet. Feet, there you go. Just like that. There you go. Do you want to try with a bit bigger one? You can put it between your feet. Are you going to try and walk? You like it? There you go. Look at these penguins. Look how good you're doing. Can you jump though? Can you jump? I'll keep it there. There you go. And again, ready, big jump. And again, ready, 1, 2, 3, jump.
Well done,
There you go.
Oliver.
Look at that.